piece of cake. Many of you may have noticed that we've changed our logo on some things, the more observant ones of you. We have it on some leaflets, and soon we'll be introducing them into the boxes and our famous pink bags. This has been a difficult decision for us to change it, but we felt that we needed to show a sign of our maturity. The logo that we had before, the familiar one, the one that was the wedge of cake, is one that was an evolvement from the 1989 one, the original one we had. And we decided to use that one when I started. And it signified the beginning of piece of cake. But now we felt that it was a little bit more too infantile, and we wanted something a little bit more grown up and a little bit more mature, and to show how our piece of cake has evolved from then. So you'll be seeing it in lots of packaging soon, and we'll go changing it little by little. We love it, and it's very similar colors. We've always liked the pastel colors, the pink, the mint, the yellows. In another program, we'll be talking about branding, and I'll be going over the changes of our logo and why we changed it. And I'll give you some reasons of why large companies change their logos to show a progression in their business. Which brings me on to talking about the fact that we'll be changing a lot of our YouTube videos, where we will be baking and chatting with various guests. Like the last video where you met Kate, who baked with me. If there's anybody you'd like to see and anybody you'd like me to chat with and bake at the same time, let me know in the comments, and I'll let them know, and hopefully they'll come and join me. So I'll see you in the next program.